Area de Shemaima, Mima Obi Berajo, Emma Makoba, Edibamo program no so Odo Ahomaso Adom TV, Kameka Adom 106.3. Adom TV so, and if ye day I just say, Minim sa Adom na Domo, said ye Tibia out of so ye. Said ye Tibia no, Ura Hosa Dame, Dog Pacho, Mweni na ho. When ni Giano Mani may ware ho, ware hon so mani che. Who send running our son and our bunny say amount. If ye twa so aye ni je, and so fear dear, aye soon any are war. And more abemu muate, if it's a biara e won emre. The here so abakacha was ane, met to me, me chain, me ye, said ye tibian, me sumusa. Now no on ye yen to say the sesso no, oh my ye nim engua said da. A chesed day, obey Jahumana amana sing. I just said day, obey be so I come when you finish in Abesenko. Now, Fedi, I cannot, I any jeer, I come for, I you be a mayo, Nanko war, on the was sorry you, they nearly shed Yanko Pont any yam. But in age now so, made I say, Edasi, Esadasi, Edasi Bumo, Obaba, Akuma, Mama Zembe, Yamia don't me hoye. Mebusia so ye, Sana me jidi sa won so ye, Mebusia won ma won na for, ya tamfo mpo, wo mo hoye, ya da omu nyina se. Ane, ene nyame nkwane momene Reverend Kondia, ene yeshia ewo Odo Ahomaso, ewo Adom TV so, ene ebebo nkomo. Ene, obi kunewu. Airtime. Misi ene biaba, ene biaba. Ya ka, ye hu ha. Obi si munya de mo so ye nya de ne ye, ye be ya san ye. Wonim say amamre. Obewu eja hwakọ. Enti ebe stress mo bejai eya bibi nti na mpese me boss e bia sa tribe we no mu yesei ana sa ebusun we no mu yesei. I don't want to do that, but nyankopon ni hu eba ne sa na mo te se no kasa na oni bekase oni akuma na ekasa o nti wo so ko police station ko se ya na afa ai brekakra enso wo se odindin bi wo mu a oni bekasa ompene enso nye den ya ento se ade be san ade be kyen no na wa ye mra afu maka wanu atum na afa wani ewu na de we nyina afa na akwa ne chewo se minimum kamanye enti ebetu anamon ewo ye nua so a em se yanwe ho ye se me ene tu me ena ye di saa de we ebedimia anka ebe me da na ye nyina itime dwen saa we hu nyina em se asumdue odo ebeba misremu o ekranfo madodo na obi afra me ensem akoma me dan me ni bebiti me ni me ma ese pepa mocho Omazimi Foundation, yenye nu that stage no a ye si dan na ye rent e dan ama obie me pacho me sremo and then me can see meka because it has become too much. Ye sha see about commercial say conference demand say ba no enya gro crack me pa mocho o de mo fa mo ho medom ne ye nkyere mo kwan a mo nuanom bi afa so ne nyina afa so na fa esumdue ba na yi atoye. Ene ebebo nkomo Reverend Kondia.
Edase.
Insidase.
Yame enshira o.
Yeah.
Yame enshira webushia. Yame enshira Amazimbi Foundation. Na michia Learning to Marry Forever. Our perfect for michia wonyina. Yame boa Saturday ebe our empire bokasi pa. Ewo New Boy Town. Nyame adom yebehye ewrade enumunyam ekunayo ho asem enye duabo ekunayo nyame na ahihye chese eyade ana ene doctor waka asem na menso meka bi in fact eyana yewosu bi wo yemu se Africa for se Ghana for a
nipa tuntum
onipa te ho na oya ade na ade na ya ye nte da ye moa no da ye maye ni nkoho da eda ye bete se nipa we kro no na ye sa de we na ye se nipa no wewu afi na no so mfa so no dan bio a obi wo hokora nka bia bibi wo ho betimi aye ma ade na ye ya obetimi aye ye nte da seriously se enye se nyame dom moje me ba ebusuan mu a me ba Odo Ahomaso anka no bebra wo ye na mente da kora sa wo ye no ma bisa
okay
but nyame anim ni wo ye adwuma
ye adwuma
Nyamishirao. You know, it is serious. Na asofudie no ya wo mu kakra ya hwe ni paso kakra na to take care of people enye easy. Na especially people who are matured of their own. Omo nyini abo mo bra na omo anim one left from one right.
That's right.
Nyame nim ni say nimporte sado so ye mistake ya ho. Emu odu. It's difficult to turn that person. It's difficult for you to redirect the life of the person. But to bring people like that, and especially marginalized group, sa asamo so ayeka who being widowhood rights near the other so embedded in our culture and in our traditions. One of the things to change, difficult to change in every society, is cultural and tradition. Now, to bring them together under this umbrella, it's the first time I'm at a conference, I was shocked. Because I never expected to see people like that there. Now,
bringing them from their homes.
From their
that
homes.
corner. That hole.
You see,
to even come out.
For them to even accept the fact to say they need to come out in Umpono, a big thing. Nyame Shirao. Mama Zimbi Foundation, Nyame Shirao. Wonga ebuwa nyina no, Nyame enshira won. Obi a wo hwe dwuma de menim say wonga hwe Odo Ahomaso edoso. This appeal, I'll keep on doing it. And yes, bibia, but I mean, I'm in the field, so I know what it is. Ma me no edwuma oye no eso. Esese ye boa no. Hwe ewie ya na me ne papa bi di nkomo. Na ye kan na make fa conference hu ni ade na o say na media for de mamazin bi de sika wo ni ade ni say ni ade na me say bema what can be pa but we hunu mamazin bi ka o tim. Simple question. O se Debbie. Me bu aso ho. Na me hunu mamazin bi ka o tim. So Debbie. Na me hwe collect getting news omusi su kura. Picture because of sika penny ade nti wo hwe one life a day omudem ne ka omudem ba hwe ka mamazin bi onam kura na ekoyi na si baby. You know, but seriously, so ye nipa ade ho ye no se sika bampa what I see from the mehunu emreka kram no wananti. You care about people, you care about developing the life of people nti se sika bi kura bakura na immediately no we push it into the well-being of people. Nti wankasa kra you don't look at how you are going to get your comfort.
No.
Kan esi enim he ya me ba ye esi ho me hu ya na me start some mesere because he ya maka ho asem. You know,
oh my God.
But obi nso tie chire obu ho akonta.
Seriously.
Obi nso tie chire okeka de ye ne de. Ebusuafo mesrew. Hwe ekunayo ne this widowhood right ne as some aye ka nyina na oje dom tetewa michia no pi. Otaka sasem we. Am say clip nso aye boy before coming on air no nso no osi so say ye ka se atete adetete ekunafo nyina no eye ekunafo na eye mana eye nipa na ye wo kurom na ene ye de ye won mesra meka we de ababuoi eye kuro bi so asem but pedifo se aye asem sebe da ho se na nanompo nipa na eye ye kan wonfa wo hunjim na bia bibi wo ho abetimi agina na won so waye wo de wo voice aka hom ya stop yi atu obi no da chebeto won so as long as our worry as long as our bobo bra asase so no one day ba me be wueja ho ba be wueja ho so wan hwema enne ye nyi sade na efiri ho a dachi obi de be yew e ma na tete wo man so wo ho dachi de be yew ma ekukokuro bi kura memma no kura no ye de ye oba because memma no nkasa ni ntino we don't hear ebi ahomte minim tribe bi wo ho a minim kro bi wo ho a wo yiri wu ese ye ma wo na da ofunu na wo wu no da funu no ho what is all that about wahu sa no ma nyina sa yanka ye nyina yamba on board na yamwa ebusuafo eda ho sa na afi abaye asem na esensan ye kom mesramo munyina mombra on board conference ya ye kwei whether whatever the situation is yamra na yamba support yamma nkrofo hunu because it's not just about Ghana, it's not just about Odo Ahomaso because mekai Al Jazeera, Ebahobi, BBC, Ebahobi, you know, all media, it goes international. Nti omubano muhuni say, yes, we have embraced this. Na ye 2-1 among. I mean, ebebo bebre. Me pesa me yesa appeal, doctor. Many have bere.
I know.
Many have bere because minim said ye counseling na ye no. And Crawford said you can Crawford Fred demands near there. But I know what you are feeling. I know what you are going through. Because I'm in the field. I get all this over and over. Now what share a bimu suni a bimu assets no muwa ahmete. Enti asese ye nyina ayeboa. Hwe mama Zimbi a walk say obi just a bema abusive relation mu oman na ye wo mu nankasa no oman no ni provisions bi say. So obi wa abusive relation mu kura na say ye twi na efiri mu a ebi a yam make provision bi say yam man dan ana ye nyɛ dan sad bi ni o man mu ɛna mama Zimbi foundation nso kyɛ sɛ de wa wo kan ye nu hɔ we start nkakra start ye na ntesa sese nyame adom ye duru bebi ye nyina ye moa ebetimi ayesa megidi sɛ with a woman with a heart like that no sɛ ye nyina ye eboa ebe ye easy sɛ ye ka sɛ ye widows village kura na ye betimi ayese wo betimi nya dan at least for the meantime wo ye baby ahye nyame ye wadom wutumi nya wonsa no dwuma bia na wo ye wadwuma wa wo nso kopɛ wo dan a na we firi hɔ no obi foforo nso aba behye you know, but all these it will come from people supporting mesra sɛ menya sa appeal we ekunafo na ye ka won ho asɛm yi wo ma a wo societies no mu mesra sɛ ye ka bia wo nya kunafo but bia wo school bi ebia we administrator we school be we headmaster be and ka obetumi about board ebia na man crofad I'm reminding people, I'm opening the eyes of some people of what they can do to support who school be obetumi aka say okay Mama Zimbi Foundation me person ekunafo na ma no nyanka no betumi age afibia meje baako afibia meje mienu meje miensa yama won free scholarship wo mesua de bema wo student by 200 wa fa mienu a won tua fees a bema menyi ni se ebro so sa enhira nya mede ba ma kura no na Mama Zimbi hwe ekunafo obo mpa ya ma wo se waje ne ba hwe na you don't know what it means. And the Bible says na your friend say nyame sompa enti wo school wa wo betimi ayesa de we wan so bia won nsem wo bia betimi aboa betimi aka so o me sponsor kunani ba bi amana koso ebio companies ya wo ho no nso no wo betimi nso wo say companies ni bi wo ho a wo use manual labor wo per casual workers ni ade ebi wo kunafo ye kan nyina no they are going through these abuses because we need the source of livelihood. We need bi society na we want to mu no need the support ebi wo ho a family no kura bi wo ho na nka obi wa akoma pa nka obetimi aboa no but ahoɔden no eni hɔ enti sɛ wo company bi na me penkrofo me bi a ɔmo aye edwuma bi ni ade obetimi aben Mama Zimbi Foundation me pesa bi a ekunafo no I mean casual work bi they recruit one yes. Yeah, and there are so young. Last year, say young people are just say asma ye kan baka say mirwa na kokura asemu. But it can happen to you.
Na say obi o me kai by 5 years ago na afa ye tutu na namon or ye adwuma kakra afa na busua afa ye na sorry say or ye too young. Say you be identify say she's a widow. Enti sad ye no say onya be bia ma na wa no onye say. Enti you know they start pulling.
Yeah.
Oh, bre my nipa education kakra se bi ni si ye so bad ye wo so wo so ye say ye hu say menye hu mama hwe na eni bie ni ba kakra penwe na nipa na yira wo fra out of coverage area wo be korea we so no ne anti bi so mesenko wo be tie na prostitution ya ma na ye.
Look at all this.
Ye di bebre tu kwan e ma wo musu tete.
Look at all this.
Mama o.
Wo hu no
anyway
but yeah companies no mesre we know ebeboa and in a way no me fan say it's even a way of getting cheaper labor for your company and promoting the interest of the society that you are in. Me senso aba philanthropist. Doctor me ya appeal me sra ma me kwan. Ye here philanthropist ya. Omo betimi aboa say wo be donate ti sanka conference ya ye kwai. Na me entade kakra bi aduane kakra we say ebi mu boa all right, but we need a lot of people around because dom no dosun Adom no doso, and even with these people no krano, still there are many others are yentimi reachy wo. Ye betimi say ye be hia philanthropist obi a wo bibi kakra no bra. Beboa keto bi enso. Wehu beboa na yentumi emfanye you doctor we prefer number no tuja. Na people should call. I know they are watching. Mesra lawyers and so lawyers. Minim some Mazimbi Foundation were lawyers be yetumi identify when a case be wo hona eba yetimi dema wo but lawyer be betimi a volunteer say me person me back on board. Yes, sika sam. Processing fees me and they just say enya senketoa.
But
we can get into the mesra say I'm using the word volunteering. When you come on board like this, minim say a business. But what to me akakunani asamba ko ama no mienu miensa na what to me a unique cases at this microphone year. Imagine what it means to you. People will see that this is a lawyer of good standing. And through that you will get business through several avenues. And God will make sure that will happen for you. Me sign and for the last one and fantos say master doctors also. We are doctor, medical doctor. Who bet me sa won't so do who bejimubi. Say medical advice. To say yeah medical screening near the nyina say you contracting crop for say womra na wom ye. Who bet me aba. Who ne Mamazimbi Foundation dim komo yeba ma okwan. Kasa health talk be kakrebi yeah I mean I'm not saying we don't have some we have but we need more hands on deck. I do maybe a conference in as you go about to the groups no near the adini so that Dr. B wo memfan say suhumwa na oye volunteer ye do hwa and one say doctor ye ba ho sa time you doctor bad no wa something like that
and assume for
yes yes
this kind of health talk
yes
yes na central region we no ha kodani omonko kasa but reverend
Dr. Mr. for number no tudua mobile money number ni adenya people should help ye kan wo hu ya dano me bisa omo ye na just emma but yamwa kakra
send me 150 Ghana cedis
yes why ya de nyame nhira no wonso ye bi why won't you be? Let us kakra. Yes, yeah, mpacho for number no tuja.
All right.
If not money, crowd, said the marking. We a doctor, we a philanthropist. Who person who school be but first me fa ekunani babako. Me gidi some mazimbi so be show bia wo betimi nim sure and man sa request na egunu so bebre wo betimi e screen e yibi dia ma wa wo betimi aboa won ma one life. No one knows tomorrow. Ochina na ye president bia through this initiative waba abaye nipakese wo memu ye da se
me so me da say Dr. Reverend Kondua adeshimai ma me ye show say ye mbo mo ye ntwetwa maso na mmom say ye remind them niema kakra enso to efom ye den de nya etiase but near otu anamompa no utimi piane a na eye bebre ensure suom mesan ada companies bin so a womo eye anwade a womo mpom mpese ye bo mu din me da almost papa I'm saying no, never ever mention us. We are doing it to the glory of God and I'm so proud. Yebe conference yi nima bebre happen bebre 2 and more but Oliver Twist we need more because nipa about thousands of people enye easy nti mo so me mo kai I ewiane this is snack pepe mu ne enye easy ebe kama enti kai say 17th of June trade fair Pavilion B ho e de ebe no free yenyi okrani bi esika debi da ai binim say afoforo for kra mo nkan ho beba wo ba nso a yebe boamo ano say de eguso ye no emodoso ba nyame ye kese yebe koso ada wonderful companies omaji atum mrebia no edu conference ni se omoboa yenye conference kwa na bibi na edwane ko omo honkra no a omoboa be hia se wonso ba beka ho na wonso nhira no ebi atọ so so oba e wo baabi wo nua ba wo baabi woni baabi a esum bi beka akoto no enye se owu oba asem beka akoto no na bia papa obeye enne no ochina na ekasa e wo baabi nso amana ayekama kai se Pavilion B any no trade fair 17th of June. Your theme is empowering women for greater achievements. You be free screening, perfect hands and healthcare services. One number be free screening amaye. Indomie instant noodles, yedamase. Ever pure purified water, yedamase. GTP, yedamase. Joy Daddy Industries, yedamase. Iripa Jasmine Rice, Iripa Jasmine Rice, yedamase papa. Unibank, yedamase. Minata and Daughters Porridge Servants, yedamase. Mobile Engineering, yedamase. Calipo, yedamase. Calipo, Fritalifo, yedamase papa. Bed Data Pharmacy, yedamase. And Big Shop Classics, University Cake, you know, yedamase, papa. Blue Skies Fruit Drink, yedamase. Asadu Royal Waste Management, yedamase papa. Danis Decor, yedamase. TT Brothers, yedamase. Last Hour Catering Services, yedamase. Ghana International Trade Fair Center, yedamase. Ene monsua machire modo mosemi emomudi mi enka bibia nyankopon ani makoma mu ma adwen mu yegusu eda munyina ase ye papa ye media partners multimedia group company yedamase Love Insurance Limited yanamisi company limited medamase asa anka ye dem bo ahwese advert ni ro efa papa CJ multimedia yedamase papa Website Solutions yedamase Odo TV yedamase Kasapa yedamase semunya mo de abeka ho na ye atoye adehimaima say no won say we save ska free January up to June ya ye remu won call hospital ye anaju black mosquito coil mami ntwe mo nkomro ba ye besa to aso abo nkombo me da say Ebi adeshimaima mama kwaba na mede aseda kese amao se wa ye mre no afra obi e wo baabi se emre na so wonua bi wadamfo bo yiri ukunu so wa Ghana ha so region different baabia oni Ghana ha so afra no mo hwe via the internet. We are so grateful to you. And then ye bebon komo ye papa se wo no ya ware 8 years nkwala wom na oba tim hwe okure no ka asemi kire no meka kire. But before then there Anajo Black insecticide spray bam enuni I unim said yebwa ema emwa nyina insecticide je ye ku om ye timida because he save ska ye papa anyway kire no wa wani tia ne coil no kese pa take it 12 solid hours so e komboko e ma wutimi da na ho e se wunya kata empapa no timi ma romantic environment e ma ne ye say fefe e ku abo bi e fe no tontomo a otu na afei so no fly away fly killers no so no enu nso enie tinima miensa we esese esa ofie odo bi pa na pen asemo a nima we bi na so utimito e de koma no se be ya malaria enha no malaria kuma eku ye no enya agro ba ne nyina nso yenkai ne ani ehuni e obebi ewo na bibia nso entoyie na enye kama say fe ya don't want say so maso yasle na yetumede Odo Ahomaso ebrewo e wa Adom TV so e ma do papa ni o enwani global film e ma feel young e ma utai si da dem na ye kama if you say no why dey global film no enye easy me kono me wan buy do ma connector enye unya global film motikakra e dey for waso no ko dware wie say ash na ye kama e natural artificial na bia ni munim say me dey ade pade me sha ade ton ade pa wonye nne wo ba bia nkope global film be ma ukọ pharmacy kumase ko for widua sunyane ene nkra ha ubenye biato every pharmacy drugstore bia ebi oho ade pase global film na enye easy ema ya wade so ema ye hu mposi edi 65 years ema ye hu mposi ya wo 8 ana 9 ana 3 ana niema ha ye redie mu enka bone no eyini nyina ati wo say hwan ema hoye fe global film wa wonim edi na meseno ebe ma ko pebito na ebe boa o yo medam nyina se enche bebie phone lines no so de edi wunya de jojo wo de ayo koda na emre no ebeson maybe a phone line son e de ma na say de me ni Reverend Kondua ene wo studio sir de me ka me boss yi ya worry in fie bebre na nkwala wom na be ma o ka asem we na otini so na oso ohun se de on fanka no hwinsi ye bibia ma ye ba na ire ka kire ne se baby edui Odo afri mi mu enya ade a metimi ene wa ware bio na me say no pe wonya ehwe o se da bi wo ye sure kaka o tim oni mi akasa 3 different times me se kona ko kai o tim no aba o se da bi nya na o ti ni so na me say 8-9 years na ma ware no nyame ade mo nkwala mienu oba ne say kwesi ese Odo afri mi mu o enya ade metimi awa mu bio ese mi jao waka che oba na busua o se da bi waka che wabusua o se da bi adan o se atono so he least expected say na yire be kema bi sa che because on kai say wo mu 8-9 years of marriage yi e bia ntokwa gidigidi bi asida the only thing o kai say about 4 months ni oba na mafie ntem won se ne ye aye dog kakra obisa na asem a otututu asema no until so catch and say no Reverend me de me catch and popa asema wo catch me no ena me gina so a kire wanamo a e wo so utu aye me ya se wo mo wo abusua mane na oba na abusua so mo da mane me pa cho enne onu me kasa be 4:30 pm wawo 40 ase o se ai impenifu a omo dia ware omo ti ase o se ai na mienu e na afim na mse no problem bo modin a o cha ememenda wawo fo we he o so mo okufo adua he oh na okufo adua he ya ende nyame ya adom ade pachi wa tutu anamo ko ka che wo wawo fo na ma omo nso enka che oba na ofo se ni ti oba na kan waso afo se hu ni sen what ba me oba na meti hey na so over 8-9 years nyankopon ama mo nkwala mienu enye se bia be ma na me ni oba na nkasa yo oso ni okra I would have loved to talk to the woman someone name dada but oso oba ni ho ne number oso se onkuta phone oba ni so onkuta phone to no poni number na ode be ma
oni ho akwa hin
onkra no so aka kire no waje wa ehunhu sa o and I'm so one busua mane but I still want to think say and certain way enye pe katrema eda ye numu yi ye be ka ye katrema mentiase ba me mama na ma adwen ene mpese ye kasa ho
yo
said you can na ma ka kire we
yo me dase
yes me dase
professionally said ya wa we na no yente the other side no so asem enti eya na ye answer nyina be ya bias for now that doesn't necessarily mean say ye yi oba no esi nchen na bia ye kasa etia no sa but usually ye tanya sa response these days say midday freedom my love is gone this that akuma meka nokre play ni say nya nokre
say
odo don sign odo etuko baby odo ni ntabaya otu akọ baby ya they are all our choices we make
okay
not that odo free baby
okay
we just choose not to be with that person any longer
okay
ni ewo mu ana no entime Ubeto sana sasancha bakacho say it is just a choice you've made. Kasem me semem person ni pay meneneba na ntibi. Because odono, unless you are telling me say nya odo being the right definition of odo, but feelings the end ebe yira. And ye wo kosoro ba ase, aboro sokora 2 years, e be free mu ntem. Ebi de nu 3 months na yira hwem, and ye be ko. But ye can't order the choice you've made to be with this person. Enko baby ya Na nia eye ne se de na ede ba menti onipa betimi te se de ye kan waware no for say 8 years or so owo ma na ye. Ebi wo ho na eye normal ekoso ewo around. We be sa no onkodwen ho ono de tries. We say won kai adebia
so I offend
no sir. In one side it can be true. In the sense say obi wo ho no oya ade a ono no hunu se nea oye no it is wrong because in his or her world no or feels that is the right thing to do, but to the other person ne nipa ne nya comfortable with nea oye no enti ono no in particular we be say say dear bone na waya a uhunu bone a waya agisa the other person no no wa point it out say na we ye no I'm not comfortable with it.
Okay.
Ebia now there has been several things going on. Obano I want a show signal. Yeah. Say I'm not comfortable with this, I'm not comfortable with it, which he has turned a blind eye to it. And Obano feels say, if this is how it's going to be, then I can't stay in such a marriage.
So spell it out to the person.
Spell it out.
Because of A, B, C, we can no longer stay as husband and wife.
Good. Entina meka say, excuse her. That phrase say, or don't not free hono. Excuse her. You make it in order to get ourselves away from the marriage and that's a relationship now. Ye woman. On the other end, so it could be say, a beer. We are not saying that is the case, but a beer. No we who before for feel say better than the on any what is saying. But just like this morning, a similar case be a minya.
Okay.
On more the omon worry chain put 3 years. Na me be say we are na say. Ofoforo na we hu na we ni je ne ho no. Wunnim ni ono nso obeye de.
Eya yenwen sa de ne humum. I don't think say eya yenwen ho. Hwe reverend me ntwa no. Adobo ho a na wakohia ni old school mate. University ni course mate. Ebi at that time na nipa no mpekasa.
Yeah.
We jane ho 2 months cra and now 5 months and I just a month impo. Nipa no asakro.
A person can change in a day.
The person can change. And then you will leave somebody that's I want to for 5 years, 10 years. I mean, you know each other at least to a certain extent. Well, say this old person are bent, you know, me jawe ni makoha. Me can't say the pan to a me nyano, and I say the pan no for you know, and I try no. That's not what I'm saying. But sometimes it's me who na me don't no breaking me virginity. On wouldn't baby I understand that yes and I wouldn't benefit bia or nim so benya wa hu enti na oba back.
And omu konso omu no omu hoda.
Hey,
omu ko mu no omu da afa dia me yire that day sambe wa me foforo ba ye no. Na kwa yesem bebre. Because you know nipa su no. Psychologically there are lots of things that contributes to change in people.
Yeah.
Eye no kreso bi wo ha wo war na ontesa. But a bedroom revenue na bibi asesa.
Yeah.
And that is what we call triggering factor. Edine si ya nipa no etimi esesa ye. And sad the kuna esi ya ma nipa na wo warren from the beginning no ontesa and my say no abetesa no. The same thing can happen to the new person that you are going in for.
Oh yeah.
Ono so factors bi betimi esi along the way a. Ono so adwin betimi asesa anase oba start e behave in different way. And to me what I rather believe in is sitting down and fixing the problem.
It's important. Sit down, fix it.
That is maturity.
You face it and fix it.
Face it, fix it. Bema, adias, de ekosu meni nje ho. Oba ne ekosu meni nje ho. Weni, me hwese de osine me kasa na. Look, wo pese ye worry. Aware no wo pede e ya worry ne yetina mu ne de. Then awaro kwanso no nye se ne kasa. Se de nyame kwanso ye ntete ye de ma efie no nye se ne kasa, hwe na sesa wo kasa kwan.
Yeah.
Then inyasa maka no sanso, but I help him or her to also work towards becoming better. because my kind of no what you but because a be a habit in tea and now what formal at the end happening it might take a little bit of a time. And to be a menene kasa to say the example say the kasa kwine.
Yeah.
Menene kasa no me who say was start to say the temper rise Panama say look wo kosro then I calm him down or her down so that the next time nkakra then wo buo ne pa say obetimi e change. But when what to say NYC immediately no ya trigger na sana ya di aboba ade na say ya ade no nwusa make no kura kire. Everybody is susceptible to change, whether for good or for bad. Intimesra mo sasem we no sane wo kan ye no onko hunu na ebusuafo. And it is one of the things I thought that you be shame wa ha na metaka se aware no nimpa mienu nhia nware. It is never true. And ye mienu ne ye ware ebusuafo nka ho bi. It is all lies. Nimpa mienu pe enware. Eye se mu mienu na mo ware a aware na mkota na meka kire obi aware na mo kwaje aware no. Wona abrante no kwa na kwata utrins and yeje. We so say wodi ene yeje, wo ring ne yeje. Na nimpa ni ho. Na mpanifo ni ho. Enti asem na eba no whatever it comes in no wo no ukura wo yankwala obi a wedi kan no bisa no yemfa asem no koto woni mo hunu kwan yo mo fanfa so
me yen show mu nkran na yen mom that empowerment to say sabe ka fra yeni mu fi ho yeni mu dem ho yeni de oba na ye yeni de be ma na ye yeni de obi eye edi miawo but nya sa power no wo ho nya sa kudo ne boni pa na trase
yes
hwe nanim sei onso wanim na kacha ne say ABCT when nya say ne besi when nya say ne besi said ye be ya o ma abusuani bete ana ne maame ne papa ne auntie ne wofa osofo pani bi obi tia e se woni nipa na aka o be 4 times ba mo de ho mo nka na ebi ni nya yare na ebi ni wu na afa ebi ni mo eye ne matantan ene obi oh that's not what they say. And then I could check it, HIV is the 4th time. And then she has it.
She has it.
When you saw check it 1 month, 1 month, or the 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, or yes, I say, and Edao.
Because say uncle baby,
there be research. Yeah, Fifi, mu doctor. I want to know this is ansana. Most of the time now they confine the doctors. They hardly tell you any idea. And no, they come. And he said, when you there are drugs. So, and he near me see, but said the baby over fairly young. Now, what's hey, okay, over fairly young and renovated, rejuvenated. Yeah, you got to be rejuvenated with Global Femme. But you're not messing up, and I made a baby my me can see enemy activate phone lines, no. Baby, Diwinya, baby Jojo, baby go Kodana, and we here so be free. No, I can't ever Odo Ahomaso because that is your program. Yo, I Kumasi for say Chrome Global Femme. Ye benye bi Kumasi. But namasia, ubetimi afra, ubenye bi Kumasi no, and I made a brewe. 0244 70 15 74 0244 70 15 74 Kumasi Wabium 0205 76 98 77 0205 76 98 77 Sunyane for mo to say mo dia na edumu Global Femme 0547 79 66 23 0547 79 66 23 Sunyani Hwa Biom 0506 12 27 28 Koforidua Flower say a manager to Musa Global Femme 0557 70 60 92 0557 70 60 92 Koforidua Hobium 0549 21 24 33 0549 21 24 33 Nankna hadie Global Femme yo en kofre omo en kasa wo de wa rise mo ko da bi o super Global Femme en medro station akra na mesini ni 0264 40 39 81 0264 0264 40 39 81 and answer 0248 18 03 67. Global Fan for young and rejuvenated. Yeah, don't want to say so much. Yes, ne. Obet me call me Instagram page. Now for commenting so braho making can you now. Na say dear me activate phone lines now. Ya me mo na nya sa kukudro no na kasa. Ye be mo akwanhre na adumaranti. 0302 211 701 0302 211 702 0302 211 704 and I say 0302 211 703. But wait me after say here no I shall see Edo comments na aba obi remind me ha say akuma reference can say for MTN mobile transfer network. Thank you so much Felicia. I love you more. Me that say me pa mo show about the conference, the 9th National Widows Alliance Conference. No, ebia o pese wo send ye BB. Sika, MTN mobile money. And our special presentation person yemaye. Obetimi afre 0244 26 1200 0244 26 1200. Hello, Roslyn. Yema akwa about Odo Ahomaso, Roslyn.
Good evening.
Me da say. Now afre fi
Ajam kasafra chimota abofu.
Abofu achimota. Yo, Roslyn yetie yo.
Mpacho. Many Burma bureau for the past 3 years.
Wawaro anamo chempna.
Pacho empinachi.
Empinachi 3 years. Yo, pacho kosu yetie yo.
Pacho. Many no hono no. Ana ntokwa kakra bayen.
Edi didn't talk on buy.
Aya ochimpa bebre. Ana me say. Onja mpinachi.
Okay.
Memo ba kudada.
Oh, okay.
Ana menenu. Awo honi. Nti ono onim se me ba kudada.
Ansa na wo ne be twempna no.
Mpacho
yo, we adwuma.
Mpacho
we adwuma ben.
Me boti.
Uboti. Na what in fear he?
Mpacho me
26. 26 years. And now back that what in fear he?
Mpacho 4 years.
4 years. One na hwe no, wo na hwe na say oba ne papa na hwe no.
Mpacho me na me hwe.
One na wo hwe no. Yo, na abrantie nso a wona nanante 3 years here. Why no ho emma asami. Edwuma be no nso ye.
But onye Ghana ni won.
Onye Ghana ni.
Pacho.
Oye de ni.
Pacho of Côte d'Ivoire.
Côte d'Ivoire. Oh, nice. And what the French kaka?
Pacho.
Oh, to merci beaucoup. Yo, enti wontimi ntwe ho mfi ne nkyɛn wo ho.
Bacho me kwa ni asebu.
Adan na mo kwa no asan bom. Wo sese no edia na odu kwa. Sese one wo enwo enka ho because one other emma onkoye ho ade ne enye ho ade kyira because oyo be for 3 years. Ah one one nante odim so wo ba wonso won sa no adwuma. De me kan say aha. Wo mo nanka so mo bi no na kyelo mo pe ma pa. Enti we hu 3 years. E na wo da so te ho se onya ama no meware. Onya wo mo ne.
E de enti no onware no. 3 years. De enti no onware.
Itokwa ni ba ye ntem won.
E de enti ntokwa ni ba ye.
Asem basem na me twem.
Okay.
Ana oba okache madam fu bi se me nya serious o ma brabom.
Okay.
Ana me so me de tinene se me nya serious o ma brabom dia. And they enjoy. Ana me so me see you ya die.
Okay.
The woman 2 months later, and I'm also or the oba be share them. And I know oba no ete.
Adan monti mom so. Uti baby or uti baby.
But it the same
area. Na audio oba be share them. She mean yan mom sorry. At 8:26 no. Woni tie o say ntokwa ba mutamute here. What the oba be share them. Me kwa nka ne be ma me more power. Say brantie me nko ne hobby. Ah, 26. Yes, Kasa.
Mpacho, mini no ye kusana odin tokwana bae. Mini ya ka for 1 year. Yine yankasa. Ana ofure me number no bisa me so. Me won nem so me wo fie. Eya me hu so ne ge on besin me so me nkasa na me sere. Nti ono hu so mini be ma bi gina ho pe. No I starting tokwa.
Sister, what's
No,
your
and you were there with this guy. And who is this guy to you? I know that is your boyfriend. I know. The only thing I know you are afraid of is fucking.
Hey, I see. Many about here. So, Frey, you see a mawa again.
But you
and maybe the media be mount. Now, Reverend Kodian so program because on so there also not be mount. Media at 8:26. That means at 8:22. And now, yeah, Bema na show where Jack Colana also 26. Who bought today? And Yama Bema being so eminent and also. O could di maybe a masamba be due. Says me cast away a rebedi. And your pouch hospital cast over health check. Bibi and say, yeah, catch yourself, ya debi or
my courier been and say 11th March, yeah.
And almost a day.
Yeah, let be me HIV pregnancy test.
Bibi, yeah, then say, God loves you, but Pacho Jabranti and go divoire a brantiano. Manen coate. You, me da se papa. Na, so you sick be a nyane, dear. I think so. Etonam, oh, Mother Kukusia. Miawe zolo, etonam.
Yo,
akpe, mede, akpe. Etonam yetio.
Yo, Mama, Madam, what's the name of Commodore?
Yo,
men so me a problem, Kaka.
me pachoka say to you.
And when I say, my worry, Bema be, you worry 10 years.
Good.
Now, or a teacher. It's only a woman, and I'm a hairdresser.
Teacher and hairdresser, I ain't think of me. Etona me de kuku, call again, Sia. I'm so sorry, you can call back. Or the phone so bet me a friend, what do I do in shred abba? Minyanum, obey the 40 years, or china ye kowano. 26, we should be learning lessons from our mistakes. At 8:22, wait me a wo. We're 18, wow, 19, wow, 30, wow. Different father, second born, different father, third born, different father. What does you do more of handle, sir? Say to yourself, my giant. Me ma kwa ba di Odo Ahomaso. Hello, sweetheart. Me pa cho udi ni baby afrefre.
Me pa cho me de cha me ka fa free teshi.
Teshi yo, e cha yeti yo.
Me pa cho. Me no.
Good.
Na me them me next year. Ya den sia shower.
Okay.
Now so me na ba ko.
Okay.
Na me dia wa something any more see you what and na na fe do see me the minji loan. Oh. Na me en fa wa na wa mi bia so power we da bi ya na me ja wa si ko sa na o fe. Me so the
Meba unso wadi wa tempa. Wo ni nipa ne te nurse. Ma wo baako. Wo ni ne kan ware asem a o se a ne wo kogi loan e. Se wa na ape. Wo kogi loan ba na me de wa wo wi a. Se na asa.
Na asa. Inti na se mi ti mama Zimbi and program mi di no se ni kwan se won fa wo sika nya de.
Debida.
Bema. Yeah, na ma money din na me say ha say oba de mi kwan so for sika man bema. There was so di ba na me so di amba na e. Ya worry.
I see.
Na after they will see you and then say it's a monthly pay ba na me tini ma me de say me de come mother.
Yeah.
The meaning na ko 90 ni wa then na nkwa ni na be show ye wo na o be show mo like me say
Abrante no e adwuma ben.
If I saw first na oh yeah like no so that nye adwuma bia na o di like cocoa board for next like no ni set Into no, the first now more, me see loan, no, na me be a provision sort of here, and I saw piano. Oh, yeah. But the can say, oh, this is a man can why a been running far, and ya, or say, as money sending to say me, next be a film crying, mini moment,
Oba Bessia. Abie provision store e dia mama woti ano anya wo fe anya when you nyam hye ei me nua ba menye sure say we the 80 years we the 80 years
wa shada wo yusu
what we the 80 years kra wo mo ho so yo oba ni onyamfo wo oba se wa koto onesi ni a wa agi mu da ho wa agi mu abie a woni mamra sister Emani ntieti awoso na we di otieti awoso dodo adan onye wo fipane o ye nyi ni fipane e de bo wo enye ne de na de ma wo me nua ba sabe mini so beka se oh ye do mpemu agra oma manage dodo tuanugu na we on ware wo ne en ware wo chira wo di watem
wonim ni obi de ba ye o
sister
woni age
erade me pese mo ye shikakra mama enya atem didi o wahu but knowing your rights and not allowing people to just stamp on your just say I don't know how to explain myself now me pa wo cho nurse ni me srew what you ko jilo na ko bie provision shop say o be mani discount de pema
eti shop no sika no de yede
shop no sika so de yede
onya mfa so ho de yede.
They were saying like Fasovia and me.
Or say, do you keep record of it? One case a woman monitor record of what is going on.
Provision store here. She nim. I never get but
and
provision store no.
Sister, oh you soon no. Oh you so girl no.
And a provision store no work for you.
I na me wa kra.
And asma wo kan che yam pa de.
Oh you soon no.
Yam papa na wo ka che. So one cry. No be provision store ama be ma e won pona. O di ma.
Omo yada. And you don't have the means to even monitor to see say near all can here no plenty you dey ma obia no ye hook line and sinker you just swallow it down.
It is nice. It is blessing. Oh my goodness.
Na oria wasan so say the loan na fa
weekendi so off duty a ko ho emra wonim. Na ko check wo nim provision store no mu nyina na lock ka ten say wate se wo na kwaji loan dia and you beto shop num wate ma say na ma ne nko wo bon so be ko na ontia na oba frotia no wo be fro Odo Ahomaso aka wo be fra ko be ko na store no mu asa rade maybe ni
omo ye
me da say mon ko suntie ne be yi mu ano ye rade Yesu.
Hey, Asamo.
Hello, Uncle Sam.
Yeah, it's saying
Nyamia drum ye ho ye. Na wo frɛ fi fa Uncle Sam. Sunyane for mo to say.
Ye ho ye.
Ye da Kristo ase. Me pa cho ye tie o.
Yo, me dey me problem ni ye. Me so me ne oba bi atena.
Oh, okay.
Yes ni.
Why ye no ho ade?
There be na me kofa no bra we secondary school.
Wo kofa ne
na if me krom.
Mumu krom.
Ai.
Wo bisa permission fe ni maame ni papa nchen.
Mpacho ai ni maame ho.
Ni maame ho na ne papa nti ase.
There be.
Wo kwa kofa babo na fi na wo fo ho no. E dey na ka kire wo mo.
Oh, me ka kire ni se me wa akola no. Na in fact me hunu no we so be ba be hwe baby a me won kan inti obehwe na me nko ana na mete me ne baba ako inti oba ebe na ye nchen na me yes meto a meboa no no akonanim because wako secondary school inti e wo se onya adinim kakra e ka ho na on ti ase inti me ne kan ya 1 year
asa na oba
o prince o debi o so ama mama no improve ne subject no.
Okay. And so what did they ba and cry? How many years ni?
Oh, 7 years ni.
7 years ni. Na odi na fi ho aba no we di mfi ahen.
No way, she say we did 31. In France, and we did 23.
23.
And now 24. 24.
Okay, 24 years now. Don't buy. It's a say no. Why and what dear now? And what dear?
Me pacho yentomati kakra na nyame kan say obae no.
Koso
Na 1 year no na o improve me ma no koye ni subject ni na and or pass kakra na me ankasa me call Minister of Health. Eko ruram so wa unim Ghana and I ye fan wo nursing community health
community nurse. Okay.
Na fortunately obetna me hono na scam the man every month bia no. And I ma me ye say on fen enton bibi because kanu so.
Now every month umana
na me man 1.5 million every month.
150 Ghana cedis.
Yes, aside of aduane a normal aduane a ye diwo ifie no time ye to hono.
Wow.
Ono nature of money nti odi adwuma ma ono so benyeska. Nti onya community health nurse no. Na me to am school so na me ba no so ko secondary school. Nti na minister.
Meba person tie for biati ase ye. At that time no a onya chance e wo community health nurse mu na wo ye no. Na wo be ma wo ka say wo so wo to a wo suku so.
Na wo ye adwuma. Okay. At the same time but na me pass me ye me masters.
Okay, nti na wo ko school. E na wo baba no so e ko school.
Eco secondary school.
Okay, good.
Now we so be nursing.
And I went to nursing.
Yes, until I was like a cry me so but no we scout.
Okay.
Into admission fee no me could 25 million and then hun ye
wow. Okay.
Of course second year first term no na me 10 million in fees no.
A man
into second term no na allowance ya ba. Okay. Allowance maybe no the tuition school fees and we school no.
Yeah.
I say we school na we adwuma we say manya sin bebre nti no okofa obi a oni ni age yepe. Ama we tue free fee they say wakoha dan mama so ni boy bi na court.
Well, why a big mistake? Dear me can say, em na okofa ne baye. O te won chen opne say okay. Me worry and I say na ka so utimi ye ne ho ade e ko si ho ansa na eno na kontimi kan that easily me pa cho what am I say well yes you know aboa no your friend say ya china nisunko
efidie yi na nisunko
efidie ni chi aboa no a nisunko eja no nso a nisunko anu nso a de bobosia enye sa anu na ni tu ake o
na me dream say o developing ni hu wi a ohun o developing ni hu wi a na me so ebia me wie me masters no afi na ye be boboa ye ho ni aye aware no manayi nti na me dream papa ama ye nyina se ne ye ho enkire ye
mistake number 2 ohun obia wone bota ye bi wenanim meti hoyi me pe oba wa develop na ho data. When in education, edu some level, I know na me pay. Then you go for it. Now go fa upon chamber, and now ojan ba, and now breach ba, and now will be ba. I can say, me shena man we school we na ma wanwa and prepino 1% pet net me adwuma. 99 no. Omo grow no munya wins ni wie e mo ni bie no mu hu wiase a almost say you are below us or you are older than us and now we treat me bad. Meanwhile, don't forget say emra wa fa no say boni no hwe no ye say na udi no na mo ye dia wa afọ ye so as I say
yes
ono so asomo we si wo niama wanu aduane ama wadi sometime e kra no e bia na oso abre but you forced to sleep with her. Wow, so these are the things me akuma mama Zimbi. We are singing now back high. Some say it pays to wait. Wow, men come Papa no anka meka so why ade am say me nka so why ade o. Anka akofa ne be wo kan ansem akuma. Me kofa baba we ba ye. Me onko to the school na onko better the grades because there be me bo moten aye na me fa me ho kura anka no. Pese wo anka hwe nyankopon kura e ma ne masa. ba ko fa na keto about age 24 no still na adwemu enye obi no be 24 years na adwemu abi ana oba smart Wahoo.
Wait, Sam and Uncle, how many years?
Wahoo. Necessary also when you China, they say, what 31 years? Who were the fear?
52.
52.
Yeah.
Hey, what my cameraman quite him? Hey, how much? Me come and say, hey, it's 52 against 31.
Yeah.
Now, opening me accept. So when you channel, and I'm what?
Yes. Yes, me accept it.
Okay.
You.
And you know,
all fun from the beginning. No, that girl, no, was she pulling back, no, or convincing, no, say, or convincing is over buano.
Says in the near well, who say, Sisibia baby, who say, sometimes you sit down and then think back. Say a corner, say, and this is what has happened. Eh, yeah. So I papa, and so when you well, yes, ye cano, a boy could say being one and no. Say, Nibi, and I was in the be if it up, not or the Tuntumak account. And to one cast out the Tuntumak can hear me more. I'm an eye basa. Open him what must say. And T. Yame, why? Eh, pass. Yes, over 40 years. And my money become more hard, Jenny. Over 40 years. When did 24? What were you expecting her to do? What was the move for you where you think she would do? Wow.
Bema. You know, Edu maybe at home. Yeah, but oh, open your slow. Aye, and some of your pajamas. What you said here. Imagine, say, Miss Rewo, says what 52 years. Say be our baba 24. No, be a fan over 40. Now on it 45 old girl man, I be fan no or then it cost me when go school. Wow, I mean, imagine. Say, how will you feel? Oh, he am waiting to know ye ding. Was a girl on a childish da.
What say?
Was a girl on a childish da.
Why?
Was son a childish da. What catch her?
Ah, what can I say? We young qualade. Why even work and say we young qualade da? And I watch you, sir. And talk about
be there. Well, yen said that enko na the whole thing is age ne ono ne structure no. Oh, boy, or soon what SM cry. Mimi ye cute and smallish.
To say me, we are cute to say me.
It's me who may cry and make me both age. I check so I be on one because my age doesn't go with my structure.
Okay.
But
they say girl now 31 years.
Yes.
And I was already 52 years.
Yes.
But obet me oba anambwa.
Yeah.
Obet me oba ana.
Well, some won't tell me there. It depends.
The banokra how many years?
But opening pacho TMO.
Mane 2022.
Ubedi 22.
Yeah.
Wow. And at 8:30. And at 8:30. At 8:30 and now away.
Yeah.
And here Obano onimsa ababawe.
I yena na niete.
Now on in term to say.
Oh, beginning there fine, but getting to the last 2 years no.
You see?
Something has.
And this will be the problem because some it depends I me but what you say. And you know the nyamia say the because the nyamia say eye pa say wetimi aka say ontimi ene wontena enka sa ono betena enso na be mafufu odi ni wonchen me nka say ohun ewu but obetete ma won so onwen say afina be ka say me na me ye say ma wo enye me anka wentimi anka school enye me anka wentimi anye say emwa enti nya hwe why
you want
mo nyina ma boa mo ho kakra.
Oh, nothing there. We did the men family move because.
Oh, me family, just my boy mo kakra.
Because we did it.
Mami family, what you know? Mami family, any man, what you know?
As a man,
that's on to do me. Okay,
it's more demo, huh?
It's no the
Atika.
And the Dennis say, why a bowl, Rakacho say, please, we age in me comfortable. Obi o ho anko be kana no atum. Wo na watimi akwakoye ne ho ade wo de onim se oh we de me na metete no me na me ye ni sei me na me ye ni sei enso no na obi de ebe ye nsem bebre. Sometimes ye koje ye hu obi abebu obi me say obi bua me obi ye me say ba ya botai mo de kan say na mewa no na edie no ekomu no it doesn't really help.
Where the problem is, you know, wo ye papa
hote
wo hu enye say papa conditions ka ho wo ye sa na at the end of the day no nipa no say baby weduro no na okasa onye ya ubensa quiet say now no pain bi abehye wo mu na me pesa otias yes that this shouldn't be say enunti onye ni papa bio yeti he nyina we've gotten this over and over and over
oh
and
yes
over. But as ohunu say onu ni mistake no yeah sad the way edi aba
but Reverend, you see at that time, you know, I am thinking, sir, he needed somebody to come and take care of the child.
I know. Entina na me bisa na say, one kasa from the beginning no kwakoye, you know. Girl, no na no response at the same.
Sir,
what you say from the beginning na okofa girl no. Okose girl no pen. Girl no na no response at the same. I don't think a girl of that age, so ohunu the age.
People beginning where huni age, after where who papa age.
Ebia, yeah, that could be. But young fan says no nimumpa.
Yeah.
Na oka say or the no kon cry or whatever ensued between them. No. I don't think the girl just got up and jumped into.
But let's also tell the parents. Let's tell some of the parents. Say,
but you know,
and cry she ni ho. Your show. Or how near it say? Anyone can come ha.
Or him,
Woni abotra wo bewu emra wo branso ye woni abotra be bodam emra time no so ye wo du hu be kwa hye nkofo bi mu a etimi maame ni mu emi nim say multi tv e kwa hye pa e krasi tokro bia mo hwe me dam ase obi be na ose me ne mo ba konkran takrade kumase sunyane yendi me kwa oboa
me ware na
those things no
dey be
me pa mo cho
but doctor me ya be ma yem face no ma bi asam na make free baby na make free ABC baby so say wako wo pa oba no onye ya mprendo de say we want to make sure say nimpa no we entice them to take us.
Yes.
Until some ye baka na no ma ye be ye bia no we are trying say by force wa nimpa no eso oje yen. Until bia nimpa no kra baka say won pe. But you use that as a hook because on also pay access to BB. Inti ene mame fa maw na wo so fa ho mame. You know, at the end of the day, no, this is the end result. When you know, ebio awofo na asam na wo kan ye no. Abatan ni bi mame papa se de wo kan ye no. Edu mre bi ahu hwe enye nipa na hwe nipa o.
Nyame
na nyame si obehwe wo a odebefo obi so na wa hwe. That is there. But look, edu mre bi ye pepere ye hu ne ye pie nipa kotum usuo. Ni ye pie nipa ko
obi fin kran be krase ho no na ko kran na say and why say and what talk yi obi ka obi aye na danfo de of fam ye ne boss ka o de man so ko no de be go ewura na say no sika na o de ba no a o de be krache sem ho no enye ne dia.
On the other hand no so amaya no muntie nipa na ba na se sikenti anase wumpena the age no when you're comfortable with it, immediately tell the person, I don't want this.
Any brainty yet
get out. Get out.
Honorable, he's clicking. Reverend, any brainty no yanka. Now,
at the end of the day, no, doctor, what do you find some at the end of the day, Abrantie, whatever he has done for you, say okase odiebufu no ye bibie tiawa, oni soye. In a way, no, or this way, he will be vindicated. But one from the beginning, no, you have done master. No matter how a man entices you, you have the strength, you have the right to say no. You can say no, I don't want this. And get out of it. What shall not harass or Ghana hire wamrasa wunima mekacho, ya wamra has sexual harassment. Who bet me reporting in Panama police? So what tell?
I mean, Reverend Kondia, any other shemaima. We are bear mampa. A mema bebre sheye. At age 45, wakofa obi ba already 24. Also pursue born education. Ubasa wano. And at that point, you know, at the point one year and 1 year.
At that age, the girl no by Ghana law obetimi aware.
And the 45 against
or entice or jitum so pewa. What prevented you from doing that?
But I mean,
you know, and simple, but doctor, me pesa a man who say. And the moment be able to be an edum maybe I will feel say, oh, may just be so the baby. But at the end of the day, would you be forcing the pacumum? Share and never the sika samotier. Share the school samotier. Also, I'll come from the beginning, also, room and a sound room. Do you think it's a small thing?
I didn't see.
Well, me edum baby. I didn't have anyone to take care of me. Me nyama what person was sponsor me. I didn't take it. But emra nyamemra so say me pesa wuto with, and that doesn't mean say na me pesa metro medication so. I'm a very brilliant guy. I wanted to further my education, but there wasn't the means. Emra nyamemra so you know. God just opened the door. Na obi open him. So take your time and pere wo ho. Mo obi am pere no ho fa ni tim kwahye bibi nkobu obi kwase a. At the end of the day, no na fe akoye nsem bebre wehu be man so won so man no so amohwe no young guys na amohwe no when you adwuma wo ya that doesn't mean say money can buy everything. Money can't buy everything. Munye sika kakra mu feel say munye adwuma bi kakra enumunyam kakra wo mpe mu feel say you can buy anybody you meet on the road. No, it is never true. Money can't buy anything. They can just let people come around you for a brief period, but onya de ohwehwe wi a mechanical creature, they will all turn their back against you. Eti tobo ne wunye nipa opew won so wo pe na we are comfortable with nipa na free nukum say me pewa not because of money.
Won't say
you settle.
Won't say onwa o kasara me sure say he's watching that. Me ne be ma nye say by was can say de tie because situation a wo mu yi obi so wo mu say oh any there western down what are you doing what you say but
obi go so obi ho kaka se ya ntia so
in pempen so do ye no say nkwa no on see na adwi bi so be no wade o but person we ni masters answer which at that time no masters about 4 or 3 years
depends on
2 years
or you continue
2054 when the 54 Saturday na oba no so edi 33 and some be kwakwa ne ho ade obi nim adechi mu asem na bibi akwa akosi enti mpa cha o se wontimi a so musa why kwaku
also wako hinda yakofa be ma foforo kra ne
oyiwa
so you go on
and that's all
you go on tiasia say waboka then you go on why papa but on tiasia say one sa papa na why no de nyame betua no soka
e de we nya ka 50-50 obi amoka
obi me ka say on you know me ka on sikasamu famu no waboka egu but the point I make can say what sika na was say at least wabu obi who say ka ekunafo ekura na make say obi obetimi no mba adapting kwala ni bi na you on scholarship na sa papa na why no nyame ba ma ho aketria but money taken against the person na
Reverend Kondia me mfa wa asem no mfi wanu e na ye ka say ye be ko fie bi mu a more than 1,000 people and were different places.
Of course.
Remember do na ko fa omo. Say ye ba be wa omo, ba be boa. And so adia ye no. Enti we me hu ni say papa ye o. Ye so for adia at the 4 dia. Wonya asem so at the 4 dia. Wo ho ne amesie aprapra aduane nua.
Ne nyina.
Obehwe wo ba. Hey, na edie kra da form.
So
enti 150 Ghana cedis a month and so hwe obeyi pad wom. Enti bi dem say 50-50. Say was so ntimi enti kwaku e. Ko ye o masters wie bia ba wie no. O ye o masters na bia no nya oba bi o ho a ebe o age group wa ho. E bia unya 45 kra no. Ana 50 kra na we 52 or na 48 no. You can manage it.
A big cry is not just about the age, but especially in the banner who has the relation between the two of them. Yeah, a big cry, something has happened between the two of them. Or you should that as a carrot, not to create any commotion in the home. So the buyer veteran who did na uncle fat troubles and born on the banning team. You know, several things could be the reason why.
Oh, be worry. Me pa mo cha o muntie mi o. Mema bebre wo ho a wo mo pese o manyi o pese o worry. Na ba be worry a e ya hwe o ma no. Se oba mba be worry.
Yeah.
Me ma no ebetimi afre no se ma me mba accept na because e ba no se especially what to kana oba. Na oba auto phone ba oba no daddy I want the phone. O use up a phone no. Most na fe ntokwa aba.
Yeah.
They are almost age group. Wow. Obano so university. And he respect na so bete.
Na Ghana the way investing in the way nursing training. Obere university kura na hu say o soro kura chen.
Ba hu the American
training ni.
Ba hu the American no. Obetimi obaka say madam Me pa show me right wo fi e
my father's home. Wo so cry yan ware. You see, wo so cry yan ware. My father's home.
Ni my father's home no aba. Na on ni say bi on boyfriend abet na abek nyaka den say era hey TV no be so. Ni na fo na be ba. Enti mo kwa wade ya mo ntumu bu o na mo hwe na mo nya mo size. Mo mates na enye de. Ye dance opani pa so de wa asemi ba ye. In fact,
I education.
E be bu ankrofo bebre pa. E na mo nso no ma mo nya ma adwene say me ko amane di me ma na abo amawi school na me wi a na afa madam e chairman no so inshiranim. I am telling you, inshiranim won pa don't enter.
Now, doctor,
don't taste it.
Doctor says some way so yenjina some fan cancer be.
Yeah.
A idea I won't remember bebre no, especially in our culture. What Paul ba will bet me a control nti. It is one of the reasons they usually want to have the young ones.
Yeah.
Said you be feel say obey father figure, but our warrior is not between a father. Yes, our warrior is not between a father and a daughter. Our warrior is between people who are of the same age mates, and of the same understanding. Which made my dream here. No, I can't boom. When you said no.
Sam Jana says, China. Also loud and clear from China. Good morning. China this morning for them right now. The evergreen sex doctor. May I say, ni hao, Sam. May I say, political pastor cashier. Also congratulations for helping making widows in Ghana happy. For your greatest contribution. Yeah, that's say, come and help. Sweetness be, or say, you're looking gorgeous. Medasi Papa. Then say, my pretty mom, love you. Keep the good work up. God bless you. Love you more. Fatih Ajay said, Mom, don't worry at all. God is with you. Thank you so much, Fatih Ajay. Yusuf said, God bless you, Mama. Salam alaikum. Abraham Lincoln said, beautiful looking mom, keep your good work. God bless you and God bless you more. Fatih Ajay again here says, life can give us a lot of beautiful persons, but the only one person is enough for a beautiful life. So please, our sisters should think twice. Because we have to be each other's keeper at all the time. Good work. God bless you, Mama. God bless you more. Kali said, Mama Zimbi, you are really looking gorgeous this night. Just wished I was your age mate. Oh, small boy. Small boy. Would have bought you a most expensive car just to win you, Keke. Mate.
Oba bribe pay na unya kanu na say unya kanu na say wo mpena afi wa be fresu
so oba me sugar mommy and I said now you can go so same message you want sugar mommy, you want sugar daddy. Hey,
and then we decided that's
we have some other two issues there.
Yes. Say a chan. Also, your nurse now, or ne boyfriend now, but also one loan now, offering. I think me who say Abranti any use, like many other guys are using, especially ladies on payroll.
Single spine,
nurse, phone teacher, phone police, phone. There isn't a single issue. I mean, a day. Three categories. Civilian
be a more treaty police woman be.
And look at them. They are sitting on the law, but they are
no, mammy, or don't queer. Mammy, no share structure. Na,
Bakubi, your batan and cassa, your boom.
Assume. Well, look at me, Yamaka. Say, na, yeah. Police officer. Wọ́n say a brand here no. Abonasum, a lock in the neck pie. I didn't abonasumwa. Said all due to a baby, or him so due to a benefit. Na girls were card, no mona guys down to say they were a what is also said the immission on Dan Hunty or Chemu. Or Bano Kaya or Bruno. I'm an locking with them. Eddie or no police ni ban a can of call. Just all the coachy.
Ushu, yeah.
Hey!
enya sem papa.
Oya me say nya show dey sunwie. Minim say oni memra sunwie. Anche bia na me ba adwuma yo. Me say okay, wo dey sunwie. Enti o chena e beto akomo no so. What?
You know, people are using that. Internet na
obetimi unlock na me
obetimi
na training akwa ye den
but un say edumre bia na omo mpese be to say or the because of police no or the position but when it is abused there we don't have to give we don't have to give
you don't respect
we don't have to do that.
Reverend Kondia
no nya police kura esi na wabu
Reverend the word love LOVE indeed is killing people. Any other no.
Enya love no
mo
Enya love no mo kan.
Ebi kumi akamenti ha.
Kasa feelings mom na ekun krofo.
Feeling ben no.
Eye feelings, the attractions to people. But odran kasa de odo nya sa. Wunnimu a go and read 1 Corinthians 13, the qualities of love. Odo nya basa. Odo ntiti obi, odo hunhuna obi, odo ntene nsam mo obi. That is not love. That is not love. Enti sa ewura no me hunu ne sam me kan de pempen say abrantie no odidi ne tomam
wa bia wo tenkra ha wa bia
provision store amano ono so so owie so store na mu wa mu you are not able to take stock of it whether the all catch no whether it's true or not whatever is going on man manam frɛ no onko manam frɛ no onko an awest
me sama ka hye no adisi my ma de I'm not your black mosquito ko egusu da masiye papa ma ya de global firm ma ya tete dradwi o enuni global firm oba bia nko pebi nto Kumasi Accra ko for idua sunya ne me never stand about dada mo ko pebi na mo fa shake body no mo fa ma body no enye young and rejuvenated na nya kama afen so me san kai wo mo say nyame adom a eye Saturday 17 June yeah Saturday with the next one no dey so ochna week another week we have 2 weeks to go that's right order for a free because you jiska or dada yeah jiska the here ne say obafa o transport na waba na wabaje empowerment what you say be hwe now omo minute ni mo ba go beton kwa na e me fe eno ne adwuma omo ye o omo ntie ye na mo ntusa na mo no anka ne komo we create your ma ho ema won manso are ambassadors of education widows are ambassadors on HIV it says ye can ma be brother for but they free maminda eye Unibank ase Indomie fo ase Everpure fo ase oh GTP edamasio Joy Daddy Industries for edamase Minata and daughters for your servants yedamase papa Calipo for yedamase yay last our community services yedamase moye amana ayefedodo Europe Jasmine Rice yedamase nenye manke yede ni oh mobile engineering for yedamase eni obi biara mo so amoya mo simi mmomudin oh yedamase moye amana ayefedodo ne nim say obenya atenka no obenya odo no because omemu ewo nhira we ni tuemu si yede ye o enyo mo mbaji a mo fa anya hwe no there be enti ye wan adwen so ye so be sha so be frame makasa kuma bese me bo okrani baby ana nkrafo no mo ye yon mo pa adwuma no e betimi mo bibi mo aye aprapra kon be pra parking e bo betimi anima bebre
ba chomati ase no yere manware bi a emba emme mu kura but mo am betimi aye ya you can adapt one of for baby na I would take care of them enhire bebre ewo mu me pa chofa mobile money number no to hobio na ye nye
0244 261200 0244 261200 me pacho dinu kwan ma wo ho e na betime dinu kwan ma obie wo sisi ananse a na wo sisi wa wo ho abo aponchen ana abirechire wo se won se eda ne ho no no se ono ane wedie e na o se no ene wo so ya brantie wo ya babaawa ahode ne wo ho wo ye smart you are in vogue wo honam e na wo hine no wan dinu kra ma obi na ochina obi so dinu kra ma mo adwemu na ho dwadwempa ye papa mentumika tobo tobo na ekwani bia yi ebeto ye Reverend Poyen
na ye ko aware mu anampratwe mu a ye fa ye koma nkonko
okay
fa wuti e ka honko bi
Me da say.
Na wa wo pese won saka me no over Facebook learning to marry forever our perfect request ya do baka ho. My number is 0202996642. 0202996642 and that's a 0268 999948 0268 999948. That's it.
Yo, adishima ma me da say so dia wa too e wo fie wo internet ne so e fa o mobile phone mpo frɛ ye e de wa asɛm edi wunya jojo wutu dwa a hye obi din sesei ototo bonso atuka afo nyame ya adom a ɔkyena e wa adom FM 106.3 10 p.m. ni ahyase dum ye ne de kwa wie ye nya wie ye na Adom TV yesa bo repeat e de mamo e Odo Ahomaso me da masio nyankopon dum ye me wonderful cameraman I'm so grateful me set designers me light man me sound man MCR wo fie me da mas producer director Prince Eningeje ye do biara say Reverend Kondua God richly bless you.
God bless you.
Me da say
we share our conference.
Definitely me da say